Now that we understand what HTML elements are and we are able to define in our own words what an HTML root element is, and that each element can contain attributes similar to this one, the language attribute that contains a value for a language code. Let me just replace this again with the value of English, and we were able to understand how to properly nest our elements. So in this lesson, let's talk about the head element, which is the child element of the root element HTML element. What we can see here inside of the head element are mostly metadata content. When we say metadata content, that just simply means it's data about data. So the head element that we have here contains this metadata content. Remember, metadata can also be found in your photos. When we are doing an OSINT investigation, usually this is quite useful. But going back, metadata is data about data. And the head element that we have here is a container for metadata. Most of the contents that are displayed here, especially the metadata content, will not be shown in our browser. So the only HTML element that will be shown inside of the head element is the title element that we have here. As I've shown you in our previous document, in the JSBean lecture that we had in our introduction section. So if I save this and I try to go here in our web document here, and as you can see here on the title bar, if I refresh it, you would see it has now displayed the content, element content that I've typed in between the title tag. There are other elements that we can place inside of the head element, which are the title element, which defines the title of the document as we've shown here. We can also put there the base element, the link element, the meta element as we've already been using it, the script element, and the style element. For now, I just want to make you understand that most of the contents that are here will not be displayed in the browser except the title element that we have here.